Well, hello friends and followers. I've spent all night working on this HP23 power supply, Heathkit HP23. There's a schematic of it. I pretty much gutted this thing tonight. This thing came in the mailbox around 5:30 p.m. and I immediately took it apart and just started gutting it. So put in all new parts, all new little capacitors and such. Anyway, let's go and show you how it works. So there's my bias. I'm getting 133 volts, minus 133 straight bias back from it, which is good. Low voltage supply is the B plus for the tubes. Whoa, that says nothing. That was working. Oh, there we go, wrong hole. So I'm getting about 275 out of that, which is fine. 275 volts will run the B plus in the Drake for the small signal tubes. High voltage is coming in at 817 for the 6146s. That'll work. Here's the adjustable bias here, coming in at 73 volts. I haven't really tried to turn that yet to see what it does, see if it works at all. I didn't have to mess with that circuit, luckily. It just kind of works. So let's see if it works at all. There's the bias. Well, I can turn it down. Yeah, it goes down pretty good. Goes down to 45, goes up to... we'll see if I can shut the 6146s down with 77 volts or so. Maybe. They may not like that. All right, and what else do we have here? Filaments, they're all working. That's about it. So we got high voltage, 816. We have about 276 B plus for the smaller tubes. Minus 130 volts is what I could have for bias if I need it. Adjustable bias is minus 78. We'll see if that works. Anyway, I think this thing's all set. So let's turn it off. Show you the inside of it. Switch off, let the thing drain down here. That's the high voltage. I don't need to get shocked with that tonight. Anyway, so I replaced everything in here with I guess Chinese components that I got my hands on. I'm not proud of the job in here, but I probably shouldn't have even bothered trying to fix this thing. I should have simply tried to see if it would work at all. So I would say 2/3 of the components are replaced in here. Okay, I'm down to 7 volts. That won't hurt me. Let's take a peek inside, show you what I've been doing, and boy, am I tired of this tonight. Take that out. Yeah, it's not great in here. So I probably should have bought a Drake power supply for the Drake radio. It's too much work hacking this thing. But anyway, it's hacked. So here's the inside of it now. So again, from the last video, this is the high voltage section here, which is a voltage doubler. And that basically is this section here. That's all right here. I coalesced these resistors into one 5-watt resistor at 50 k ohms. And the two capacitors are here. And I coalesced these diodes. Instead of putting two in series, I have 1,000 volt diode. And those are way down in there. You can't see them. This section here I just got done with. This is the low voltage section, about 250 volts, 275 volts out of there. That stuff is all right here, scattered through here. Those two capacitors are right there. There's that one, there's that one, so those are there. That's a voltage doubler also from 125 to 250. And I feed those back into here. This whole thing, these two capacitors here are the lower voltage ones here that were, yeah, those two are these here. And this one, let's see, I'm tired, I'm sorry. This 40, I think I have that one. Yeah, that one is basically this little guy here, which it's only a 22. I didn't have a 40 left over. And this one was kind of broken. I had to put a wire on it to fix it. That was from a project a year ago. So anyway, that's that with this thing. I guess it's ready to go. So now I gotta wire the outboard plug. I have a kit for that and some wires. So I want to wire the outboard plug. Here's the outboard plug for it. Wire that plug up for it, and I got the wire. I bought a kit. The kit was like 40 bucks. It was like an old, new old stock kit for that. So I hope this wire can handle 1,000 volts or 800 volts. Anyway, here's the wire. It's a pretty stiff wire too. So you kind of wonder if this stuff's real or not. Anyway, I'll get all that working and give this thing a try. I don't like passing 800 volts through this wire, but it seems kind of gets hokey wire. Anyway, that's my power supply story. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.